What is the difference between the double equals operator and the equals method when comparing strings in Java? This is one of the most commonly asked Java interview questions, and it is extremely important to explain it clearly because many developers misunderstand how string comparison works. In Java, the double equals operator checks reference equality, while the equals method checks value equality. Reference equality means it checks whether both variables point to the exact same object in memory. Value equality means it checks whether the characters, the actual text inside the string, are the same. When comparing strings using the double equals operator can give unexpected results because two strings may contain the same text but may not be stored in the same memory location. The equals method is overridden in the string class to compare the characters inside the string, so equals is the correct way to compare the content of strings. Now let's understand why both behave differently by exploring the concept of the string constant pool. Java stores all literal strings like hello, Java, and Spring inside a special memory area called the string pool. If two variables store the same literal written directly inside the code, Java stores only one copy inside the pool and both variables point to that same memory location. This makes the double equals operator return true because both references are identical. But when you create strings using the new keyword, Java creates a brand new object outside the pool even if the content is the same. So the double equals operator returns false because the references are different, but equals returns true because the text is the same. Let's understand the differences with an example. We begin by creating two literal strings s1 and s2 and assigning both the value Java. Because these are literal strings, they are stored in the string constant pool. Java sees that both s1 and s2 have identical content and reuses the same object in the pool, so both s1 and s2 point to the exact same memory location. This means s1 double equals s2 returns true because their references are identical, and equals between s1 and s2 also returns true because their values are identical. Next, we create s3 using the new keyword with new string Java. This line forces Java to create a new object on the heap outside the string pool even though the content is the same. Now s1 refers to the pooled object and s3 refers to a new heap object. So s1 double equals s3 returns false because the references are different, but s1 dot equals s3 returns true because the characters inside both strings are identical. Next, we create s4 using JA and VA. Since both substrings are literal constants, the compiler optimizes this expression at compile time, combines them into the literal Java, and places the result in the string pool. So s4 also refers to the same pooled object that s1 refers to. This means s1 double equals s4 returns true because they point to the same pooled object, and s1 dot equals s4 also returns true because their values are the same. Now let's run the program and summarize the output. sa1 double equals so2 prints true because both point to the same object. s1 dot equals s2 prints true because the content is the same. s1 double equals s3 prints false because s1 and s3 refer to different objects. s1 dot equals s dot s3 prints true because the content is identical. s1 double equals s4 prints true because both refer to the same pooled literal. s1 dot equals s4 prints true because their values match. This demonstration shows clearly how the double equals operator compares memory references while the equals method compares the actual text. Now let me give you the exact interview summary to say confidently. The double equals operator compares references and checks whether two string variables refer to the same object in memory. The equals method compares values and checks whether the characters inside the strings are the same. Literal strings stored in the string pool may point to the same memory location, so double equals may return true. Strings created with new always create a new object, so double equals often returns false while equals returns true because the content matches. Whenever comparing string values, always use the equals method, never the double equals operator. That is the complete, deeply explained, interview-ready answer for the difference between the double equals operator and the equals method for strings in Java.